All right, guys, 2022 Corolla hatchback, XSE, I think it was, 2.0 liter, gets 36 miles to the gallon, which is crazy. I want one of these now. Factory converter up there, secondary converter there, and then another resonator there that looks like a cat, but it's actually a resonator. Look at that. They do look the same. And then it's got 1 3/4 pipe all the way back. And then what we did is a muffler delete, as you guys can see. The muffler usually comes from here, from this hanger, all the way to that hanger. So we took it off and just did a muffler delete. It's got the fake tips out the back, as you guys can see on each side right there. There it is, it's the hatch. Nice car, XSE. And then the stock muffler that was on it is right here, as you guys can see. There it is, with a center inlet. Offset right there. And we got the ice cream man here, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Right 2022 Corolla XSE with a muffler delete. Much better. Now we can actually hear it. Oh yeah, much better. Here's sound decibels. Again. 97 when it pops. Yeah. That's not bad, man. It sounds pretty good. Yeah, I wouldn't change it anymore, man. Just leave it like that. Go ahead and back it out. And it is 6-speed or 5-speed? 6-speed. 6-speed manual. Give a guess? Ah, look at that bob. That's not bad. He just hit in the braking period of 1,000 miles, so we can rev it a little bit harder. That's not bad, guys. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you hear on the inside. Toyota Corolla 2022 hatchback with a muffler delete. That's not bad, dude. That's surprising.